Let's have a quick chat about Zoho Books. Is it a great tool? Is it a crappy tool? Let's have a conversation about that. So here is an overview I really want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Zoho Books, I want you to think about a module, a capability, a software tool that is part of a larger umbrella, the Zoho. So Zoho is really kind of great in terms of software provision. They actually are a behemoth when it comes to software provision. They do a lot of things. They do sales, they do CRM, they do human resources, they do project management, and here they do accounting. They also do inventory. So you have Zoho Inventory. So Zoho Books is a very easy to use cloud-based accounting software with an invoice, inventory, and project management system. It offers a competitive free plan and a variety of features to make your processes easier and more efficient. Zoho is a particularly great option if you are a smaller or medium-sized business in search of an alternative to a larger, more expensive software. So if you don't want to have, if you want to deal with ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and you're looking for a more affordable option, Zoho Books could be that option for you. So here are the pros and cons of this software tool. The pros: you have a free plan available, you have a feature-rich accounting software, you have a robust mobile app, you have an impressive set of support options. Fantastic. What about the cons here? You have a maximum of 10 users, you must invest in higher level plans for advanced features, and you have limited integration. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really fantastic to have this quick convo with you about the Zoho Books. And one thing I want to say in general here is that when you think about Zoho Books, I want you to think about a SaaS model. So SaaS, software as a service model. So you don't have to be in the office to sort of update whatever. Everything is based on the cloud. And your team also doesn't have to be, they don't have to be in the office. So this actually helps for a more collaborative work environment in terms of accounting management, in terms of inventory management, in terms of financial reporting. You can deal pretty easily with your accountant when it comes time for tax reporting or financial accounting reporting also. So this is really good, okay? And one thing I want to say here is that with Zoho, you can send customized invoices and connect to payment gateways so customers can pay for your products and services online. You'll be able to link one of several bank accounts to important transactions and categorize them automatically for fast and easy reconciliation. So in terms of productivity, this is just fantastic. Let me talk to you about the features here. So when we think about Zoho Books, I first want to say Zoho is very easy to use. The dashboard gives you a clear idea of your highest expenses, total receivables and payables and sales. So talking about cash inflows and cash outflows, Zoho is really giving you a bird's eye view of your accounting and financial reporting processes. And when we talk about the most important features you can expect from Zoho Books, I want you to think about end-to-end accounting, easy collaboration. You have an integrated platform here. You also have, you have to think about receivables, payables, inventory. So what I'm trying to say here is that you have a clear segregation between your cash inflows and your cash outflows. What we love about the end-to-end accounting is that you are able to actually track all expenses, track all revenue items when you are negotiating deals, when you are raising sales orders, when you are invoicing. Zoho Books will handle all activities for you so you can focus on your business. We love that a lot. Again, the bottom line here is you want to automate things, and this is what Zoho Books does a great job at. You have easy collaboration. I was talking about earlier about the fact that Zoho is actually helping you foster a more collaborative environment, a more synergistic environment, especially if you have team members that are really they're working remotely. Zoho gives you the foundation, the technological foundation to actually get the job done when it comes to accounting. And you are also able to collaborate really very easily with your accountant, your external accountant. So this is kind of cool when it comes time for tax reporting and taxes in general. You have an integrated platform here. So as your business grows, you can add more of Zoho's more than 50 apps to help you manage and run every aspect of your business from wherever you are. So we love that a lot. By the way, boss, let me quickly remind you of today's topic. This is a Zoho Books review, in-depth review, granular review, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you want to buy Zoho. With Zoho, you have a clear idea about receivables. You have a clear idea about your payables. You have a clear idea about your inventory. Okay, so we're speaking about you being able to capture the goods and services you offer and quickly add them to your transactions. So this is really, really good. Payables, you are able to stay on top of your payables and know where your money is going. From vendor bills to expenses, Zoho Books will make managing payables a lot easier. Other features that you will love with Zoho Books here, you have banking, time tracking, content management, and reporting. Let's quickly dig a little deeper here. So when we talk about banking, you are able to set up your bank account and import your transactions to your accounting software. Okay, so Zoho Books really does a great job in helping you and your team members actually reconcile bank accounts pretty easily. So you're able to import your bank statement to Zoho Books and skip data entry. You are able to set up rules to categorize your banking transactions, and you can reconcile transactions in moments and stay tax season ready. Again, we're speaking about operational adaptability. We're speaking about operational efficiency. We're speaking about operational, I think, innovation here. So Zoho did a great job in that department. In terms of time tracking also, Zoho is adding value because you are able to keep track of time spent on projects and effortlessly invoice your customers for your work. Remember, Zoho is primarily a project management tool. So this is kind of cool. I mean, they started as a project management tool and then they branched out into other segments. So you still have the forte. You still have the fact that Zoho does have an impressive acumen. It does have impressive acumen when it comes to project management. And so when you couple project management to accounting management, it's just a fantastic combo. Okay, so the results here, you are able to manage multiple projects easily, multiple accounting projects. You are able to create invoices directly from projects, and you are able to track unbilled hours and expenses. In terms of contact here, you are able to get all your contacts in one place for easy communication. So you are able to do what we love about this feature here is that you are able to combine the features you usually get from a CRM and a VRM, client relationship management and vendor relationship management. So this is kind of cool. And reporting is just fantastic. You have the granularity. It's just great. From profit and loss statements and inventory summary reports to tax summary reports, Zoho offers more than 70 business reports required to run your business smoothly. I'm talking about all the four basic financial statements: balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and a statement of owner's equity. But you also have a constellation of ancillary reports that are really important when it comes to financial accounting, but also cost management and project management and cost accounting and financial account and managerial accounting. So this is really important. Let's talk about pricing here. So when you think about Zoho, one thing I want to say right off the bat is that Zoho does allow you to have a free, like you can get on the free plan, but the free plan is kind of limited though. So if you are just started, let's say you are a startup or you're just trying to reduce your monetary bandwidth, and because you don't have cash right now, you can go with Zoho and use the tool. And so they will limit you 10 users. Listen, Zoho is a great tool. So if they allow you to use the tool for free, no matter what, take it. Okay. And the cool thing is you take it, you use it, and you kind of see if you like it. And what will happen here is that once your business is picking up and you have like a larger monetary and budgetary bandwidth, you can actually go for a higher plan. Okay. A highly priced, not like, the next level in terms of pricing. So this is kind of good. And, signing up, if you want to sign up for Zoho Books, it's very easy. You just go to the sign up page. You want to provide your company name, your email address, and contact number. You choose a password of your liking, and you're good to go. So the thing here is that when you sign up, you get a fully featured, a 14-day free trial of the product before you choose to subscribe to Zoho Books. And you don't have to, you're not bound to Zoho Books forever, okay? You can cancel anytime, but the free plan is only for 14 days, okay? One thing I want to say here is that there is a free plan also, the free trial is for 14 days. Now, there is another free plan, as I said. That free plan is there as long as your revenue is below $50,000. If you're generating revenue, like annual revenue below $50,000, Zoho is free forever. Now, is it because of Zoho you're not going to grow your business? they'll be really dumb, right? So the goal here is that if you start, hey, listen, you get access to, you get the free revenue here. I mean the free software here. But as your business grow, pay for it. I mean, it's only $20, $30, or $40. I mean, Zoho is adding value to your business. It just makes sense to pay for it, whatever is adding value to your business. Okay. And the thing is that if you have the premium plan of Zoho Books, you can add up to 10 users in the premium plan. If you require additional users, you can buy the user add-on of Zoho Books at $3 per user per month, or $2.5 per user per month, billed annually. Okay, so this is important. So you have the free version, and if you want more than 10, you have to pay for it. One thing I want to say here is that you can run more than one business on Zoho Books, not a problem at all. Your transactions are secure, not a problem. Zoho actually uses SSL encryption and two-factor authentication to actually to authenticate, of course, to validate your transactions. So this is kind of cool. So and at the end of the day, Zoho is an all-in accounting software tool. I want to have a quick convo about the extras you can actually expect if you were to go with Zoho Books. Now, Zoho Books is an all-in-one. I've said this before, and I've also said that you have Zoho is part of a larger conglomerate of accounting of software products from Zoho. So you have Zoho Books, Zoho Sales, Zoho CRM, you have a Zoho Inventory, you have Zoho Project Management. So the thing here is that when we talk about, there are other benefits that you can expect from Zoho Books. Let me talk to you, for example, like Zoho offers 3 add-on options that can increase the functionality of the software. If you find a Zoho plan that meets your needs, but you would like to add more users, I just said it before, you just need to pay $2.50 or $3 per month. In the event that you need to send hard copies of invoices or, let's say, estimates to your customers, the Zoho Books snail mail add-on may come in handy. You can use its credits to send paper documents to customers across the country and world. And to take your accounting processes to the next level, you might want to consider the Zoho Books AutoScan add-on. So this will allow you and your accountants to scan financial statements so that Zoho can extract key information automatically and input it into your account. So this will cost you like $8 per month. So if you pay like $8 per month, you will receive access to 50 scans per month. So what I'm trying to say here is that you have other ancillary products that Zoho is actually proposing to you. And if you believe that this is really worth it, then go ahead and avail yourself of those products. And so one thing I want to say here is that, it's just important to understand that you have to like with Zoho, you have no problem in terms of scaling. Just make sure when you start, you have a conversation with customer service first. Do not sign up online. You can sign up online, but hey, listen, before you actually start, have a conversation, ask all questions, and they will give you more updated answers. I want to quickly have a convo with you about Zoho rivals. Obviously, Zoho is not the only one in this industry. You have a constellation of players, from QuickBooks and FreshBooks to Wave to Xero. You have a lot of them here. And so when we talk about Zoho, how does Zoho Books stack up? And I want to quickly compare and contrast the Zoho and QuickBooks and FreshBooks. So when you think about the starting price with Zoho Books, you had the free $15 per organization per month. For QuickBooks, you have $15 per month with promotional pricing, then $30 per month. So QuickBooks does not offer a free version here. For FreshBooks, you have a $250 per month with promotional pricing, then it becomes $5 per month. So in terms of pricing, you can see that right off the bat, FreshBooks is the cheapest, followed by Zoho Books, and last but not the least, QuickBooks. In terms of free trial, all those 3 software tools, they do provide free trials. So for Zoho, you have 14 days. For QuickBooks and FreshBooks, you have 30 days. And in terms of unlimited inventory, you can track inventory on an unlimited basis with Zoho Books and QuickBooks. But for FreshBooks, you can do so only for up to 5 clients. For expense tracking, not a problem. All those 3 programs offer this capability. For inventory management, only Zoho and QuickBooks do have that. FreshBooks does not have inventory management. For mileage tracking, you are able to do that through all three of them. For customer support, we believe that Zoho Books and FreshBooks have more customer options, customer service options. So you have it here. So you have to really, decide what really matters to you. Okay. Zoho excels in the customer support department by offering phone and email support, live chat, and a wealth of website resources. But its free trial is only 14 days compared to the 30 days that QuickBooks and FreshBooks really offer. Okay, so both QuickBooks and FreshBooks allow you to try their software for 30 days. They also offer third-party integration options than Zoho, making them a better pick for scalability. Okay, and so it's just important for you to pay attention to the details that really are relevant to your specific business before you make any decision. That's why I was just telling you earlier. It's just a lot better to give them a phone call before you actually make a decision. So, talking about decision here. So what is the verdict here? Is Zoho Books right for you? Let's have a quick convo about that. So the thing is that the short answer to this question is yes. Zoho Books is great for you. Now, it depends. That's a longer answer. If you are in search of a feature-packed software that won't break the bank, Zoho Books should be on your radar. You'll likely find a plan that meets your needs, especially if you are, let's say you are a small or medium-sized business. Okay. Now, the only thing is, and you have to be very careful here, if you cannot be limited based on users or require greater integration options, you might want to look for an alternative because Zoho only has like 50 integrations, whereas you have QuickBooks. QuickBooks has what, 1,700, 2,000 integrations. Okay. And FreshBooks has, I think, they have many, but not as many as QuickBooks. So the bottom line here is that, yeah, Zoho is great because it has a free plan and it allows you to actually not break the bank when you start. But after a while, if you want more sophisticated, I would say more sophisticated software, accounting software, Zoho is not going to give that to you. What we love about Zoho, for all intents and purposes, is that Zoho Books is part of a larger family of software products, right? So if you are, let's say, if you are a Zoho project management user, or you are a Zoho inventory user, or you are a Zoho CRM user, or you are a Zoho whatever user. I mean, if you are using a Zoho products right now, you already have the I would say the edge, the learning edge here, because you can move from one platform to another, from one module to another, and it's all like a very seamless. This is kind of similar. And like when you analyze Zoho that way, you can think of Zoho as a quasi ERP, a quasi enterprise resource planning provider, because they do have different modules and they are able to help you move from one module to another. So if you love that, if you love this sort of, I would say scalability, but this sort of very seamless transition between platforms that are offered by the same provider, then you will love Zoho Books. Okay. But if you think you are going to grow fast, or you are growing fast right now, Zoho might not be the right software for you. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was quickly talking to you about Zoho Books. So this was a granular review of the software tool. So I gave you the overview, the features, the pricing, the extras, the rivals, and the verdict. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.